Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about how can you become a software developer. What are the things that you need to learn and what are the things that you need to focus and in which manner you need to focus to become a successful software developer. So let's dive into this video. If you are a beginner, then you need to consider 4 points to become a software developer. First is competitive programming, second is back-end knowledge, third is front-end, fourth is database. First is competitive programming. Competitive programming is a mind sport where you have to solve any kind of problem given the certain criterias. Okay. Competitive programming is really important because lot of big IT tech companies, they do competitive based interviews. They give you any certain kind of problems and you have to solve it in particular period of time. So it is really important to learn how you can approach towards the problem and how you can solve them. To learn competitive programming, you need to solve programming based questions. I would highly recommend you to start solving the problem based on mathematics from Project Euler. Second is backend programming. Now, given the fact that you are ready to solve programming based questions, now you have to start doing questions in some programming language. I would highly recommend you to learn C++ or Python for that. C++ is far better than Python in terms of competitive programming because the code execution is much faster in C++ than any other language. Third is knowledge of front-end programming languages. To learn front-end programming languages, start with really basic like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I would highly recommend you to focus on JavaScript more because lot of current market languages like React, Angular, all these are based on JavaScript. So please spend some time on JavaScript because you should have a really good knowledge of JavaScript. Only then you will be able to proceed to the next level of React and Angular or any other language you want to learn. Fourth is database. It is really important for software developer to have a knowledge of database because it represents how data works and how data flows in your application. So you need to have a basic knowledge of all the CRUD operation, which is create, read, update and delete. So you should know how all of these queries work in database and how you can create an entity relationship diagram. For example, if you have one blog and you have multiple posts under one blog, you should be able to create an entity relationship diagram for that. So start with really basic and start with really basic commands of database to gain knowledge of database further. In the end, create some basic projects using knowledge of front end, back end, database and competitive programming. Pick some algorithm, for example sorting algorithm, and then create a front end for the sorting algorithm so that you can see the sorting algorithm in action. So it will really help you to see how algorithm works and it will enhance your knowledge of all the front end, back end and everything. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe the channel. If you are really starting out as a software developer, then let me know in the comments and what other kind of things that you need help with, and I will try to help you as much as possible. Thanks all. Bye bye.